Hello, we meet again.
Chunggye?
We're going to Chunggye right now.
Seems like you see where the river is here?
Yeah, exit 8?
Exit 8.
Okay, yeah, that looks
closest.
right. Little trees. Wow. Replicating what it kind of sounds like. It's a cool town she's got.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, that little girl was like, wow, wow. Like, imitating the
It's hard
sound
to
of the
imitate that. He sounded like the pterodactyl there.
Yeah, like making a pterodactyl
It's a
sound.
dinosaur.
They say that they discovered what T-Rexes actually sounded like. Have you heard it? Yeah.
That's interesting.
I know, right? It's interesting, but it's like, I don't know how they would do it because they don't have any... They can only guess from the... Well, I think they can only... Yeah. I know, right? I thought they could maybe estimate, like guess what it might sound like from the skeletal structure of the throat area or something. I don't know, but that's a really wild guess, I thought, but it sounded cool because it's just drastically different from what we know as the T-Rex sound from those movies. And when you look into how they made how they made the T-Rex sounds in the Jurassic Park and Jurassic World series, it's just a combination of different animals that exist today, like elephants and lions and such. So it doesn't sound like roar, but it sounds more like a rattle, like a low beat rattle. It's like beams, yeah.
I think that it's on the tree, but it's not.
It's not, yeah. Good idea, right?
Yeah, to not hurt the trees.
Nice, yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Spikes going right through the body. Yeah. Cool. Here comes the biggie. Okay.
Oh, that was amazing. It's a big one.
Yeah. Yeah. $2036. Something happening in 2036. That says 2036 on that Eiffel Tower model thing. If
Ticky game.
yeah, they are. Chuggy chuggy. Nice. There's a Big Ben. I think that's what it's called, right? The Big Ben. Eiffel Tower that says 2036. Seoul Olympics. Something along the lines of Yuchigiwon would be, they're trying to get them to, get the votes to host the 2036 Olympics here in Seoul.
Pretty amazing.
Yeah. So in 2036, how old would we be? That's don't talk about that.
Don't talk about it.
Yeah. That's the king sitting in that carriage. Yeah.
He's got a
Wow.
우측 통행 부탁드립니다. 멈추지 마시고 천천히.
Oh yeah. Okay. Whew, out of that Gwanghamun chaos. Here's, oh, is that the train? Nice. Yeah, nice timing. Today we're at Gonjiam Resort.
Snowing! Yay!
Okay, after about a 40-minute wait, we are finally on the lift. So as you can see, it's we got a bit of a snowstorm coming in right now. Visibility has definitely gone down, and she is struggling, but she is
It's my first time, my first day ever.
She's a lot better than I expected. At falling. And that's a big plus, because yeah.
Simon's expectations are so Alright, well, I made it down much faster.
Oh yeah, big
He's
time.
being patient, teaching me. Actually teaching me, not saying I'll meet you there.
Woo! Woo! How tired are you? Pretty damn tired.
Like every muscle in my body hurts. Muscles that I didn't even know I had.